Hello everyone, this is Jen and welcome to my channel. So I'm here to share actually my May Cocoa Daisy kits, but the reason why I decided to share for this or for next month's setup is because I have two of these. Well, I actually have the nude as well, but I was looking at these Filofax Originals in the patent, and I have this Robin Egg Blue. And I have this pink one. And I just felt like these kits would go really pretty with one of these planners. So I'm thinking about using, I wanted to do a setup because I think this would be nice for summer, even though it's a May kit. I think this would be a beautiful alternative in case I don't want to do a traveler's notebook. So I wanted to show those. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to share the kits that I have and some ideas, and then I will have the setup for you as well. So this will be a part 1 and a part 2. So the last I saw was they did have these kits. This is the main kit for Cocoa Daisy. You get tons of stuff. So want to just share really quick what you get. You get this nice case to keep your items in. You get this, I believe, oh yeah, this is a sticky note. So this is daily routines. It's a sticky note. This pretty washi tape, which also in my stash, I have this Planner Society it's washi sample. So I'm thinking all my washi from this kit I will put in here, so then I don't have to carry the rolls around. So I will also do a washi sample of that. These are sticker die cuts. What I'll do is I'll leave a picture in case you want to see what's all in this package, because you also get tabs and everything. So I will share that as well. I'll insert a picture. This is fun. This is like an ollie clip, which is nice because you can also put your pen there. So you get that. It's like is it taupe color? Yeah. Also, you get this click art, which I have. These are all the ones I have, and I think they have one more, or a couple of more they might have had in other kits, but now I have those 5. So those are nice to have. I think they come from Japan. Yeah, because it's zebra. So those pens. I really like this kit too. I'm thinking also of using some pieces to maybe make like to document my garden. I don't know if I'm going to be able to do too much this year, but I like this. It says to plant a garden is to believe in tomorrow. And then on the back is for pen test or stamp test. You get extra refills for this pen. I'm not too crazy about this pen. I probably end up gifting it to somebody. So that's what's nice about these pens. I like to give my extra pens away as like little gifts for people's birthdays and things like that, so they don't add up. So that's a nice little gift. And I even sometimes will throw in like something else with it. Here's a cute little, I love this. So what's nice about this, because it has a grid, I could actually number these and do like a day on one page if I want to. I know it's blank in the back, but I actually like that. So you get that beautiful notepad. And here's some stickers. The colors are just so pretty this month. And then one thing I like that they do for these these sticker sheets for the main kit is they give you like a decorative sheet along with these boxes, alphas, numbers, and then they have more numbers and the days of the week. So I'm glad that's like a nice little extra that they have actually added. And then on the side, these can go on the tabs. And then these stickers are always fun to use in my planner. And also I'll be using them also in my zone cleaning. So that'll be perfect. So I'm planning for June and July to downgrade my kits again. Usually during the summer, I have quite a few summer kits, so I don't want to get too much, but it seems like sometimes in spring they have really pretty collections like this one. Like this beautiful flower. It's so gorgeous. Paper. And then this could be used for like a washi tape sample, or you could put it in your planner. Use it as a bookmark. I probably use this as a bookmark. It's really pretty. Nature does not hurry and get everything. Oh, nature does not hurry and yet everything is accomplished. Whatever needs to be accomplished, it gets accomplished. Then that's beautiful. I like those colors. It's almost like a sample of the colors in the kit. And this is beautiful right here. And stripes. And then just kind of flip through, you get this beautiful, I got the A5 because I figure I can use these, I can cut them, and if I want to cut these out, then I can use the rest of this as a book, and this can be used in my planner. So that's why I like how they're doing the new A5 inserts, or not just A5 inserts, but their new inserts. So I'll just flip through right quick. It's really pretty. I mean, you can even make like this, you could even make a dashboard. Like they make it to where you can do so much with these booklets, and the whole point is to have like a day on each page. I think there's 31 pages for these 31 days. So it's beautiful, beautiful. And then just really quick, also things I can use in my pocket planner are these washi. This beautiful clip. And these enamel dots. Those are so pretty. I really like these colors. Like very soft colors. You get more tabs and more die cuts. I can insert a picture. What those look like. Mile liner, which I have. I actually have bought a box of mile liners, so now I'm getting like duplicates. See, I think, yep, I have that color already. So what I do, the ones I get in the kits, I put a sticker on it, just so I know those are the extras. Because I wish they would do the brush ones, because I really like the brush to use like in my Bible or in my Bible notes, things like that, but they just give the regular, the fine tip, and then I guess the bold. So, but I wish they were the brush. They also give these in that kit, rub-ons, which I thoroughly enjoy the rub-ons. I try to use these first, because if you wait too long, they don't do well. So I probably put these on some pages and use that up as much as possible. Then you get like a sample color swatch. Get like these journaling cards or little cards. Garden, tend to your garden every day. So true. These little stickers. These are what I like a lot, is the numbers and the alphas. I use these a little bit, but I mostly use the alphas and numbers. So that's why I do, if any kit, I would just keep the planner add-on because you get a lot. And see, like this, I like that morning, afternoon, evening, errands, appointments to do, meal plans, exercise, work, contact, remember, important, and it looks like it's different colors for 4 weeks. That's cool. Decorative, days of the week, and then you get a 4x6. So that is what I got. I also did get the oh my goodness, the planner classified, which I'll just take a picture of that at the end. So if you don't want to see that, I will have that. And then because the colors were so beautiful, I decided to get the planner sticker add-on. So you get these dots. I find myself using these a lot more. I have a bunch of them. So these are the planner sticker kits. So they also come in like the classic happy planner size. But these are good because you can use them generally for like the Hobonichi, the ring planner. And they usually have these left over, so there is some more of these in the store. They are really pretty. And this is not a sponsored or yeah, this is not a sponsored video or anything. And see, more numbers. I like that. You can't have enough numbers. And then this pretty, like, washi strip vellum sticker sheet. So that's it. So I am going to now, this will be part 1. Part 2, I will decorate one of these planners and then I will do a flip through. And I'm excited about that because then it will be ready for the summer. And then also I have these edgers from the Planner Society. So I can always throw these in as well. I don't know if you can see the colors really good, but yep. That's really pretty. So I'm probably going to put some of these with that because they go with that as well. So thanks so much for watching. Look out for part 2 and that will show my, I just went blank. Oh, it will be my setup and my pocket size rings. All right, y'all. Take care. See you soon. Bye. God bless.